Hey friends, we are at Hobby Lobby today. Hey friends, so this is for all my Christmas lovers. I know a lot of people don't want to hear about Christmas right now, but I've been in the Christmas mood pretty much all year round. It's my favorite holiday and I'm so excited to be at Hobby Lobby today touring. So come browse with me guys. They have tons of gingerbread stuff. I found some cute pink Christmassy stuff for those who love pink. They had traditional red stuff, red and white stuff. It was just a variety of stuff to choose from. The prices were so affordable and they are discounted guys, along with the trees. I couldn't believe the prices for the trees that I saw for the sizes of those trees. So definitely hit your Hobby Lobby up and check them out. They had a huge selection of stuff. I'm not going to be talking through the video. I'm going to be playing some Christmas music for you guys. So if you're a Christmas lover like I am, I hope you enjoy the music while we browse through the store and see all the goodies that they have to offer. And if you haven't yet, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and start shopping before the rush. I love you guys and happy holidays. I know it's not yet. Well, technically it will be soon. I love you guys and happy fall. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Love y'all. Okay friends, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed browsing with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you next week and see you Saturday for some cleaning motivation. Love you guys. Bye. Until next time, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. Mwah.